Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Nokia 3310 dual SIM feature phone. The Nokia 3310 model is one of the premium Nokia models that came out in early 2000s actually, and was one of the most popular models ever. Now they have relaunched, and this is basically the dual SIM version of the same. It comes with some graphic element as well, but these are mostly obscured by the many stickers on, over the surface of the box. There's some information, some specifications. This particular phone comes with a 2 megapixel camera with LED flash, has up to 22.1 hour of talk time and 25.3 days of standby. That's awesome, and it also has Snake. So those of you who love the game Snake, this is probably the phone for you. Let's see what this phone actually looks like. I'm going to make some cuts. So this is what the phone looks like. There's a plastic cover over here. Let me just get rid of that. And here we are. This is what the Nokia 3310 4G dual SIM feature phone looks like. This is the 2.4-inch curved display. It's a curved. This has a bit of a curve. There you can see the display has like a tiny curve. It's also much thinner than the original Nokia 3310. I must say that. There it is, the micro USB charging port there. This is the 2 megapixel camera, of course, with the flash as well. This is some speakers, and you can see the Nokia logo quite clearly over here. This is the dark blue color that is quite frankly synonymous with the Nokia 3310 phone. And same with the numpad design. It's very similar to the original one. It has a matte dark blue finish. It looks very good. It's, however, despite not being as thick as the original 3310, it's still pretty sturdy. It's a very sturdy phone. You can actually, hit something with it and it will not get damaged easily. Everything else is in this compartment. This is a quick setup guide. You can see this is a quick guide for Nokia 3310 dual SIM phone. This is a micro USB charger. I'll leave this here as well. This is an earphone. This is for this particular phone. This is a great touch. This is a 3.5 mm jack for this particular earphone. And this is, of course, the battery that you insert inside the phone. This is a 1200 mAh lithium-ion rechargeable battery. Let's just insert this battery and start it up. So now that I've taken the flap off, I'm going to insert the battery and start it. I'm going to close the flap because the flap seems to be very tight. There you are. That's the Nokia logo, and you should be hearing the tune soon enough. And that is it. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the Nokia 3310 dual SIM feature phone. Thank you for watching.